Hey guys, it's Tammy.
And I'm Beth.
And today we're going to be showing you a super quick and easy way to apply Eylure lashes.
We've got two types of lashes today. This is number 003, which is the 3/4 lash, and 117, which is the full lash band. I find it easier to put my lashes on when I've completed the rest of my makeup, just to finish off the look.
As the lashes we're using today aren't pre-glued, you'll need some lash glue that's included in the pack. You may also want to use small scissors to trim and then tweezers to apply the lashes if you need them for application.
We'd also recommend putting mascara on your natural lashes before you start, as that helps to add structure and it makes it easier to put the false lashes on.
You want to start off by measuring the eyelashes against your eye, and if you need to, trim them. So you do this by resting the false lash along your lash line to see whether you need to trim them. And Eylure lashes are made in a curved shape, so they fit the natural curve of your eye. They are just a little bit too long for me, so what you want to do is pinch the edge that you're going to cut, so when you take it off your eye, you know the section that you're going to cut off.
No trimming required at all for the 3/4 lashes. That's the beauty of these.
So now we're going to apply the lashes. You want to start by adding a small amount of glue to the back of the lash band.
And you need to wait 20 to 30 seconds after you've applied the glue so that it's gone tacky, so that it doesn't fall down your face once you've put them on.
Oh, that's happened to me before.
Also, I know some people can get a bit worried about putting wet glue near their eyes, but by leaving it 20 to 30 seconds, then it'll have gone tacky enough that that's nothing to worry about.
I'm going to be applying my full strip lashes using tweezers.
Whereas I'm going to use my fingers for the accent lashes.
They're easy to do both, but I prefer using tweezers. Eylure also have a lash applicator. Whatever you're comfortable with, you can use. So to apply the full strip lashes, you want to look down into a mirror to make it easier. You want to position the lashes, and you don't want to stick the lashes on your actual lashes. You want to make sure you stick it on the skin just above it and gently push down. And you don't want to have any gap between the lashes and your natural lashes.
With the 3/4 style, you want to position them from the outside in or from the inner side of your iris.
So as you can see, it is super easy to apply Eylure lashes, and you can see the difference the two styles make. All it depends on is what your eye shape is, what look you're going for, and what your natural lashes look like.
And don't worry too much if you make mistakes and don't get it right the first time. You can always use eyeliner to correct any gaps. Also, when you first wear them, it can feel a bit weird, but you do get used to it, so don't worry about that at all.
And removing them is even easier. So just find the outer edge and gently pull them off.
So you can just peel the glue off and then just use a cotton bud soaked in makeup remover to clean the lash.
So there you have it, guys. That's how you apply Eylure lashes. Don't forget you can check out other Eylure tutorials by clicking the channel icon down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.